How to use 2025 recap Capcut template. Hello everybody and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to guide you to the process for the recap of 2025 Capcut template, which is trending on TikTok because it turns our entire year into a short emotional video. So let's just dive right in with the video. Open up Capcut. So we open up the Capcut app and make sure it's updated to the latest version. And here, look out for the template section, tap on it. And once we tap on template, we just need to go over and search for 2025 recap. At the top, you can just go over and tap on 2025 recap, memories, etc. Tap on it and choose a template with very high likes and users. So find the template, tap on it, and once we tap on it, this is the particular thing we'll be finding. We can look out for the likes and the users and find the popular one or which is trending. And once we find it out, we can tap on this use template and we just need to select the required number of photos and videos and choose the clips that match. For example, travel, friends, life highlights, etc. And once we do so, CapCut will auto sync clips with music and you can preview the videos such as shown in the template itself. You can just go over and preview it and make sure the clips align with the beat drops. And once it is done, you can export it. You can choose 1080p or 4K and even disable the CapCut watermark if available. And once it is completed, you can open up the TikTok application and upload the video using trending hashtags such as 2025 recap, etc. And that's it, everybody. Our 2025 recap video is ready to post on TikTok. So we hope this video was helpful. Ensure to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.